Look at them all, they're so cute. This is like the coolest thing I've ever seen.
One of the best experiences I've ever done.
As we wave goodbye to the dumpster fire that was last year, we're keeping our fingers crossed for a better 2021. As soon as it's safe to do so, we're excited to get back out there. Over the past few weeks, we've brought you some pretty amazing destinations, but now it's time to crown our winner. In at number 1, the best place to visit in 2021, we're heading to Costa Rica. Last year, this tiny nation fell just short of the top spot, but since then, it's really pulled out all the stops. Named the Rich Coast by the early Spanish conquistadors, Costa Rica is one of the most naturally splendid and biologically diverse countries in the world. A nature lover's paradise, this beautiful destination boasts an envious record of environmental care. Despite making up just 0.003% of the planet, Costa Rica is home to more than 5% of the world's biodiversity. Around a quarter of the country is made up of protected nature reserves where over 500,000 different species are able to thrive. If you want to give something back to this incredible country, Costa Rica offers a number of volunteer programs that are open to visitors. Do your bit for the planet by volunteering for one of Costa Rica's sea turtle conservation projects.
None in here, none in here, none in here. Oh wait, what's going on here?
Every year, tourists help with vital research, patrols of nesting beaches, and protecting eggs.
This little guy is number 60.
60? Wow.
This one's ready to go.
Ready to go. Alrighty, we're going to go and release them.
When the babies begin to emerge, you can help give them the best shot at survival, ensuring as many of them as possible make it to the ocean.
This is amazing. This is just one of the best experiences I've ever done.
Costa Rica is the ultimate environmental success story. In 1983, the country had been devastated by years of deforestation to the point where just 26% of the country was left with forest cover. In an incredible effort, Costa Rica's leaders took a stand, and just 30 years later, the country has doubled its forest cover to 52%. The country currently runs on 99.5% renewable energy and plans to achieve complete decarbonisation by 2050. Perhaps then this is the most striking thing about Costa Rica. As you learn more about this fascinating country, you can't escape the feeling that the world could be a much better place if we all took a leaf from their book. When you visit Costa Rica, it's immediately clear that all these incredible efforts are paying off. This perfectly preserved slice of tropical paradise is regularly crowned the happiest place in the world, and it's really not hard to see why. Costa Ricans understand above all else the importance of protecting the beauty of their home, setting the benchmark for sustainable tourism that has become the envy of the world. The country has also maintained one of the lowest COVID fatality rates in all of Latin America, and its government has been recognised for its successful management of the virus. So, when the world finally reopens, you'll be able to visit with peace of mind. As they say in Costa Rica, pura vida, which, simply translated, means pure life. Need we say more? Those two simple words summarise everything you need to know about this extraordinary place. Well, that concludes our list of the top 5 places to visit in 2021. Here's to a better year ahead. We hope this list has given you some inspiration for your future travels. When the day comes to finally get those suitcases back out, you'll be more than prepared.